event area in 10, 9, 8, 2, and 1. So, hi kids! Okay, bago tayo mag-start sa ating event for today, magpapakilala muna ang event team. My host for today, I'm Ate Jean together with my partner, Ate Jack and Ate Lou. Good morning kids! Okay, excited na ba kayo sa ating arts and crafts today? Yes! Okay, but before that, mag-warm up muna tayo to boost our energy. So first kids, everybody hands up. And then hold your hips like this. And then shake your body. Okay, good job kids. Ayan. So everybody sit down on the floor. Okay, so ang gagawin natin for today is paper necktie like this. Ayan. And we have a material. So ayan, ipapakita ni Ate Jack yung ating materials. First kids, we have a paper necktie. And next, okay, meron tayo double-sided sa likod ng ating paper necktie. And then, we have a different shapes like triangle, heart, and then circle. And then we have a paper strip. Last kids, we have a, what's this? What's this? It's a ribbon. Like this. Ayan, para masuot natin yung ating paper necktie. And then, ididikit natin siya dito sa may double-sided natin. Isi-silog lang natin siya. And then, ididikit natin like this para masuot natin yung paper necktie natin. So, kids, are you ready? Yes! But before that, ito yung ating mga finished product. First is, we have a paper strip. Second, we have a circle. And then heart. And then triangle. So kids, are you ready? Yes! So, okay kids, sit down na tayo sa ating tables and chairs. Okay, careful! So kids, hands up muna. Wala munang gagawa. Everybody hands up. Okay, kung nakikinig ko Ate Jean, let's hands up. Hands up kids! Okay, good job. Nakikinig kay Ate Jean. Ayan, sabay-sabay po tayong gagawa ng ating arts and crafts for today. So, are you ready, kids? Yes! First step natin is, kukunin natin yung plain paper necktie. And then, ididikit natin yung mga different shapes. Gagawin ka ni ate. Okay. Dikit mo na natin yung mga shape na triangle. Okay? Ayan, lalagyan na natin ang design. Okay, guardians and parents, pwede natin i-guide yung ating mga kids. Okay, good job. Okay, good job si ate. What's your name, ate? Gabriela. Okay, what shape is this? Heart. Good job. Okay. Okay, good job si Ate Gabriela. Ayan, what's your name, ate? Aliyah. Ayan, tapos na din si Ate Aliyah. Okay, and then, pwede mo na siyang isuot, ate, like this. Like this. Oh, yan, ang ganda. Okay, good job, Ate Gabriela. Wait natin yung ibang kids na matapos. Okay? Ayan, lahat tapos na sila. Okay, kids. Pwede na natin isuot yung ating mga paper necktie. Everybody hands up? Okay, good job. May trivia muna si Ate Jean sa inyo. If you know the answer, just raise your hands. Okay, kids? Okay, everybody sit down. Just listen to Ate Jean. First, trivia ni Ate Jean. In what month do we celebrate our Father's Day? Ayan, sabi ni Ate Jean, anong month daw sineselebrate yung ating Father's Day? Everybody? Okay. Ate, what's your name? Gabi. Okay, what month? What month do we celebrate our Father's Day? Very good. Give me some high five. Okay, sabi ni Ate Yes. Okay, second. What day of June every year do we celebrate our Father's Day? Ano? Araw daw po. What's your name, ate? Rafa, what day? Day mo na, ate. It's Sunday. Okay, good job. High five. Very good si Ate Rafa. Okay, so celebrate natin yung Father's Day every Sunday in June 15. So last kids, ayan, what is the most popular gift on Father's Day? Okay, ayan, ito yung ginagawa natin today. Anong tawag dito? What's your name, ate? Ate Aliyah? Necktie. Very good. High five. Okay. Ayan, kids. Okay, ito yung ibibigay natin kila Daddy. And then, sasabihin natin kay Daddy is, Happy Father's Day or Thank you so much. Let's everybody sit down. Okay, kids, may ipapagalaman na sa inyo si Ate Jean. Okay? Pag nag-shout si Ate Jean ng Kitsuna, you will shout hooray. Okay? Let's practice kids. In 3, 2, 1, Kitsuna! Hooray! Ayan, one more time, kids. Gusto ko mas malakas. And then, hold natin yung ating mga paper necktie. Okay, kids? Ready? In 3, 2, 1, Kitsuna! Okay, good job, kids. May tanong si Ate Jean sa inyo. Sino gusto mag-celebrate ng birthday here at Kitsuna? Hands up! Ayan, lahat gusto mag-celebrate. Good news, mommies and daddies. We have a party jet at the counter area. And then, basically, to ask our better partners for more information. And we are happy to assist you. Okay, thank you so much. So, kids, nag-enjoy na ba kayo sa ating awesome talks for today? Yes! Ayan, may mga gifts na tayo sa ating mga daddy, lolo, or tito. So, kids, thank you so much for joining. And see you next time for more excitement here at Kitsuna. Thank you, kids!